What is the penalty for first-time DUI offense? Attorney Mary Ann Ariyama says, DUI penalties in New Jersey are harsh. For a first-time offense, with a test result of 0.08 to 0.1, these penalties include a 3-month driver's license suspension, a fine, possible installation of an ignition interlock device on your vehicle, and a possible 30-day jail sentence. For test results of 0.1 and higher, your license will be suspended not less than 7 months, nor more than 1 year. But with vigorous representation, it may be possible to overcome a DUI charge. The biggest reason for contesting a DUI arrest is that conviction is not certain. There are many ways to overcome a DUI, including lack of probable cause for the police to stop you, improperly administered field sobriety test, and inadmissible breath test results. In addition, having a prior DUI on your record exposes you to much greater penalties if you are ever convicted for a second DUI offense. For a free phone consultation, contact attorney Mary Ann Ariyama in Maywood, New Jersey at 201-712-9663 or visit her on the web at www.ariyamaassociates.com.